Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the block in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, with the recent results of local courts, I realize some people have voiced some opinions and them really don't know the facts of the situation. Them don't know how this all started. Them don't know where to forward from. Right now, I have the summary for of viewers and subscribers. Well, on October the 4th in 2011, the dancehall artist, the superstar, viewers and subscribers, appeared before the corporate area resident Magistrates Court and was denied his bail. Magistrates. For some people who like to get technical, the phone don't care if really read. But viewers and subscribers, bail was subsequently denied. Now on March 23rd in 2012, he was granted bail at the sum of 3 million. Them swears to the artist never have it and couldn't pay it. When them realized the funds were more than available, you know what? He still remained behind the bars in connection with another incident, and that was the popular Clive Lizard Williams incident, viewers and subscribers. Now, the trial of Barrington, which was the first individual that some people they even know about, that trial on January 21st, 2013 was postponed due to lack of jurors and rescheduled for July the 11th. It never took place. Now, viewers and subscribers will put this into perspective so they can see the clear viewers and subscribers lineup of events that happened year after year, pointing to a clear agenda. It didn't stop there. Now, on July the 24th, 2013, Vybz Kartel was found not guilty on that charge, that Barrington-Burton charge, but still remained in custody pending the Clive Lizard situation. Now them realized them couldn't pin the Barrington situation from the teacher. Them put it off, and when them do bring it before the courts, it was a one move thing, and then it was dismissed. Because they must say, no, we can more pin Lizard situation upon it. Because it is a more individual with it, they run the artist, and it will paint a certain picture of the teacher. Now on November the 18th, 2013, the trial began in the Home Circuit Court with jury selection. Now on November 20, 2013, yes, that very same year, 2 days later, jury selection was completed, viewers and subscribers, and that is where the initial trial really began. Now, it was clear after them look over all of the evidence presented in the initial trial that was the teacher actually guilty for true? People that wonder. But then again, viewers and subscribers, I point to this. When we revisited the evidence and we look on the whole situation and all that transpired, all we can say is that one thing is for sure. Everything was fabricated. And the reason why we can go as far as to say everything was fabricated is when we revisited the case, majority of these so-called evidence was not only found to be circumstantial, meaning say, yo, you can prove from anywhere, it could have been meaning anything, or it could have come from anywhere. Them can't really prove so this is in connection with the situation what them are talking about at hand. Viewers and subscribers, when that took place, you know what go on after that? Them no bother bring it up. Some people say the witness statement from we and the voice notes were enough. Them never talk about we statement. They mention the voice notes. And them say that was enough for them say, alright, make we give them the case as it is. But truth be told, viewers and subscribers, truth be told, this is just the system being the system. Them now ramp with the integrity of a retired judge. They must say, alright, him do him rare, and them must leave him legacy untouched and tarnished. So they never wish to overthrow the ruling what him did make. That's how we go on. Them that call it friends that cover for friends. So with that being said, that's what take place. For all who wonder what really take place, that is what basically happened. So if you wonder, where is the clear agenda? Why we feel so strongly that the artist should be freed? Because it never just start out with Lizard. Them call the artist name for all different type of individuals, all different type of situations. So how now when they present a case like this to us, we're going to just readily say, true, because the evidence pointed that. No, it seemed that way. But when we get deep into the reasoning, when everything was cross-examined in open court, we realize about no, these are mere speculations. We are working off a gut feeling. You can't live life so. Not in open court. When an investigation is being pursued by the investigators, they can work with gut feeling there to prove a point, and even then it is not really lawful. But you know what I mean? It's more of a code of ethics. So people pursue it just because they have a feeling, then them seek the proof. But when it reaches to open court, you have to already have your proof to present it. It's almost like them that search for things while it that take place. And yes, sometimes things like that do happen because you have to get the facts. Sometimes a situation might be presented to you and you say, alright, the facts of that very situation might change the whole settings of it. But we notice this too. Just like I was proven in the appeal that the device was tampered with, we did prove that in the initial trial, but it was disregarded by the judge. Why it was disregarded by the judge is because the vice notes, them did want to use the vice notes. So if we say, them say numerous devices were recovered, and one of these devices was the vice note. Now, let's say this, all devices were tampered with, whether it be 1, 2 or 3 phone, because you have to pull the encryption to get the messages. Now, while doing so, it's a quick opportunity for you not have to even leave or change nothing. You can just chop conversations and put them into one. So even if it's a concept for a song, the teacher that talk about them got chop the opening statement, chop the closing statement, and just add it when them play the file in its entirety. And it just seem like it tell a whole different type of story. And some point to the fact that that is exactly what occurred. Exactly what occurred, viewers and subscribers. If you are in agreement, we'll talk to me. I'm gonna know. If you are in clear agreement, I'm gonna know. From 012, them a try this. At 2020 now, from 012, them a try to keep the teacher captivated by, wouldn't even say the pursuit, but just by the fact say, yo, freedom is close at hand. But because them have the ability to say, no, we not gonna give it to you. Hopefully, that will break him mentally. But that now, it was always a part of the plan to take it to the appeal court internationally. Because if you don't trust the system locally, then why would you feel like other members of the same fraternity, let's say, would have given a different result from the previous one? They all represent the same system. They all represent for the same system. So some people already are saying, yeah, we'd expect the result that was handed out. Know what I mean? But other than that, attorneys have always pointed that the Privy Council is the next move, without a doubt. So at the end of the day, I guess we move on to the next phase. And then I try to delay it as much as possible. No, funding, them I try to. But then try to delay it as much as possible. It never work. And we stand strong, we stand firm, we still there put in the work and I do what we have to do. Talk now, man. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, there's a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, the as well from my like, we drop a like on the blog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know there's something go point that out already. I move settings from I wanna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love, and prosper. Yes, until we reason again. And a quick recap is this did start from 2011. So here in 2020, when you hear people make some statements, viewers and subscribers, them really know the facts of the matter. Then they know the situation in its entirety. And if you look upon it if you look at the big picture, then it becomes very apparent. Move settings, fam.